blue, purple, yellow, green, red, black. Let's start the missing letters. A. A is for aeroplane. B. B is for basket. C. C is for car. D. D is for donkey. E. E is for engine. F. F is for fruit. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for house. I. I is for iron. J. J is for juice. K. K is for cattle. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pumpkin. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rat. S. S is for sunflower. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watch. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yarn. Z. Z is for zebra.